air. Today we are going to be learning about wind. We've learned that wind is one of Earth's resources. When wind blows, it can turn windmills that can generate power. Today we are going to be learning about how wind is made and things that wind can affect. How wind is made is when the hot air rises and cold air comes in to take its place. This is how wind is made. So today we are going to be talking about things that wind affects, like these feathers. These feathers are light, which means that they could be blown by wind. So David is now going to be the wind. He's going to blow these feathers. He's going to show us what happens when the wind would blow these feathers. As you can see, the feathers moved. Now we have this block castle here. This is made out of wooden blocks. We are going to try having David blow this over and see if he can blow it over. The reason that David couldn't blow these blocks over was because the blocks are too heavy for the air to move them. Now we are going to talk about some things that are light that wind can blow and some things that are heavy that wind cannot blow. Some things that are light that wind can blow, like we've seen the feathers, are leaves and hair, and some seeds like dandelion or milkweed seeds are blown by the wind. There are also things like flags and many other light things which can blow in the wind. Some things like sailboats or windmills are powered by wind. These also are light enough that wind can move them. There are some things that the wind has a hard time blowing over, like these blocks that we've seen that David could not blow over, but a train, a car, a house, or a brick. But there are some big storms, like a tornado or a hurricane. With these storms, we get very strong winds that can move a car, tip over a picnic table, and maybe even take a roof off of a house. But this is not the kind of wind that we are talking about. Let's review what we've learned. The sun makes the air warm. Because this air is warm, it rises, and cold air takes its place, making kind of a circular motion. This is how wind is made. Now let's do a problem like the one that you're going to do. What is powered by wind? So you look at the pictures and you find the sailboat and you click on it. Good luck! What usually wouldn't move in the wind?
What usually to move by the wind? Flap? No.
What usually wouldn't move in the wind?
No.
What could be moved by the wind?
What can be moved by the wind? No.
What could be moved by the wind?
What can be moved by the wind? Yeah, the hair. The hair can be fly by the wind.
What usually wouldn't move in the wind?
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah,
what
sure.
usually wouldn't move in the wind?
Want to move.
What usually wouldn't move
Want
in the
to
wind?
move. No, the rock want to move. Yeah.
What could be moved by the wind?
What can be moved by the wind? The leaf. Yeah, the leaf. Right.
What could be moved by the wind?
What can be moved by the wind? Yeah, the what?
What activity could you do on a sunny day?
Sunny day. No. À. Ờ.
What activity could you do
Bạn
on a
rồi.
windy day?
Bây giờ còn một mảnh ở bên Sunset Sanato đó. Ở bên dự án Sunset Sanato đó.
What activity could you do on a rainy day?
Đường lớn đó. Nó cách khoảng 4 căn, 5 căn là tới biển. Đúng rồi. Anh bán nhanh 5 tỷ thôi.